what I see in pretty much 50% of restaurants I go to that serve burgers is the bun comes cold. You have amazing fried chicken, you have incredible, Angus beef inside your burger. But when you take that bite, your first thing that goes into your mouth is, the top bit is a cold piece of bread at the top and at the bottom. But when it comes to the foodies, and especially with where we are at now, the food standard is so high and it's just going up day by day. When we first realized that, hey, toasting it on the grill was a bad idea. Then we moved on to a regular toaster, a bun toaster, and we realized, oh, this is still a problem because the top is cold. Then we instructed all our staff, before the burger goes out to the customer, you hold it under a gantry light for 4 seconds or 5 seconds. Watching that process was a pain. It was like, listen, if we're gonna scale and we're gonna do something big with this brand, we can't do that. The Antunes bun toaster. This toaster with the auxiliary heater where it heats the top as well, we just had to do it. Really, really impressed with that piece of kit. And since that's coming, I mean, it's a peace of mind. I mean, it's one less step the staff need to think about. They toast the bun, they dress the burger, make the burger, put the meat, wrap it, off it goes. If you look at the trajectory of our business, if you look at how we are progressing from branch to branch and we're growing, it's these little things, such as the bun comes hot every time, it's well packaged, it comes on time. It's these little things combined that just creates like, oh wow, these guys are good.